Street rod time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. One you're not going to see every day either. 1931 Ford Model A Victoria. Of course, that wider door on the side, the visorless slanted front windshield. Take a look at that. And all right, Ford fans, you can't use that Chevy power excuse in this one. You can buy it. It's a 302 under the hood, so a Ford V8 power, automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the bright work up front. Of course, the 31 grille. This is an all-steel car. You can kind of see what the suspension looks like. It does have four-wheel disc brakes, all four corners, and those are 90% in the front, 90% in the rear. You'll be able to see the underside, so you'll be able to see the suspension, frame, and all those underside pictures, as well as the exterior, interior, engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Red steel wheels, Ford center cap, of course beauty rings, radial tires with plenty of tread left on those. Speaking of the steel wheels, this is an all-steel car. That's fenders, running boards, body, hood, the whole works. Let's take a look down this passenger side. So it's kind of this violet and kind of a deep charcoal gray two-tone with the red pinstriping to highlight, as well as those wheels. And you'll see some more red when you look at the underside pics. Fabric top. Now it does appear that there's been a little bit of repair work up there. But overall, still very nice looking. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Like I said, you're not going to see one of these every day. There is some miscellaneous receipts that'll go along with it. And then also the paint colors, some touch-up paint, also in that box, and I'll get that back in the car. Take a look at the rear of the vehicle so you can see dual exhaust. Paint has a nice shine to it, some custom pinstriping. Third brake light for safety up there. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you're going to see all those still pictures. This car also has AC. AC blows cold, has power windows. Electric fan switch underneath kind of the center of the dash. If you like these street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can see wipers, and those are working. You can also notice the tinted glass and know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. Battery has been relocated to behind the rear seat. Speaking of the rear seat, it's a little bit tough for me to get the camera so you can see it, but check out the still pictures. There'll be plenty of pictures of that seating area in the back. Good look at the door cards. Seat belts installed up front, also kind of a custom violet and black interior to highlight that exterior color. Is a stereo mounted up above. I've not had that power up, just so you know. Headliner's good. Tilt column, banjo style steering wheel. There's your power window switches. You can see there's also one over on the passenger side. Some aftermarket gauges, like TPI Tech. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And again, 302 power, Ford fans, AC controls, the switch for the fan right here. These are the switches for driving lights. Tachometer's working. Looks like the fuel level came up. Clock is working. Voltmeter looks good. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure's up. And trans temperature, wouldn't expect that to be up either with the cold start. And the horn works. There is also a battery shut off between the seats, just behind them, kind of down on the floor. So you're aware of that. You want to turn the battery off for when it's in storage or in between drives. Let's listen. Nice exhaust note, little rumble coming out of that 302. And speaking of that 302, we better take a peek at it. Technician did note just very minor weep as far as powertrain. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that gets driven. Let's check out that engine bay. All right, so in the, I guess, seating area, there's a pull rod on the driver's side over here and the passenger side over there under the dash. So you can actually take this hood off if you wanted to release it from both sides. You can fold it up either side by leaving this one locked and releasing the other side. So just kind of giving you a heads up on how that hood works. There you can see that 302 AC compressor over there, serpentine belt system. It's like a Summit intake manifold 4-barrel. There are headers down there. You can see tranny fluid, dipstick, oil fill on the other side, engine oil dipstick down here. Nice smooth running 302. There's a street rod you're not going to see every day. 1931 Ford Model A Victoria and Ford Power, folks. Get it while you can. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. All the still fixers, you'll find them there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1931 Ford Victoria. This is a two-door, and it is a street rod. We have an automatic shifter right down on the floor. Easy to use, put it in gear, put your right foot down and have fun. Turn signals are working. Speedometer reads high. I am indeed not doing 90, I'm doing about 50. Tachometer works, that says 1800 RPM. Water temperature 150. Oil pressure 45 PSI. We have a transmission temperature gauge here that's just over 100. Volts are about 14, and the fuel tank is 3/4 of a tank full. We have a clock over here reading the seconds. Up above, a Pioneer stereo. I do not have power to that, it appears. The wipers work. AC blows cold in this car. Power windows. Nice bucket seats matching the motif of purple and black. Easy to use. Power brakes, very effective. I like the banjo style steering wheel. Very smooth running car, very nice shifting automatic transmission. Feels like you could cruise for a long time and this car would be happy to do it. That was our turn signals, these red indicators, left and right turn signal indicators. Take a look at all the pictures of this. Very fun. 31 Victoria Street Rod at UniqueClassicCars.com.